G'day, my name's Jacob, that's me, and here at Choo, we like to Choo-roo. Anyway, you get the idea, so today I'm going to make a roast kangaroo and eggplant stack. Yum! So start by getting some kangaroo meat, an eggplant, capsicum, various herbs from the garden, some onion weed, and a doll that's possessed by some kind of demon. Also, make sure to stay hydrated. I start by cutting the eggplant relatively thin. You're probably looking around just under a centimetre a slice or thereabouts. Then I'm going to core the capsicum, cut that in half and give it a bit of a bloody squish, mate. This is kangaroo rump. I'm going to cut that pretty thin as well, as it is a bit of a tough meat. You're probably looking at the same size as you would for, say, minute steaks. In a pan, heat a generous portion of olive oil and fry your eggplant till it's nice and brown, at least on one side. We are going to roast these afterwards, remember. Remove the eggplant and start melting some butter on a pretty high heat. While that's melting, you can chop up your herbs. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven. I'm aiming for a quick sear here, no more than 30 seconds either side. I'm going to add some cracked black pepper, some smoked salt, and some turmeric, which might seem like an interesting choice, but with kangaroo, trust me, it fucking works well. Add your chopped herbs and mix it all around, making sure it all spreads evenly amongst the meat, and you're fucking set, mate. Now the fun part, the stack. Oil up a pan and get creative. You can do any order you want, it doesn't really matter. Have fun with it, mix it up. Of course, I'm going to use this opportunity to plug my own chili sauce available at choo.com. It's all Australian made, it's all made locally in the Adelaide Hills, and a portion of our sales goes towards the CFS Foundation, helping the families of volunteer fighter fires. So buy it, it's great, I use it on everything. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Usually I'd put a lot more garlic than this, but my partner has some mad IBS issues, and garlic is not their friend, my friends. I finish off by putting the onion weed on top. Now, onion weed sounds gross. I encourage you to check out my onion weed video. You might actually learn a thing or two about an abundance of free food probably growing in your backyard.
Like if I got served that at a pub, I would suck whomsoever's whatsoever's.
Chuck that shit in an oven that's preheated to around 200 degrees Celsius. You're going to leave that in there for about 45 minutes. During this time, you can practice your singing. I damn well know that I need to. This one goes out to all the marsupials out there. Beware those kangaroos, they are not what they seem. They might try to punch when I'm with you. Marsupials with droopy balls or furry fucks who like to brawl. How they do it is nothing new. Getting by jumping high, just wait for the night to come so they can hop across the road and smash into my car. A farmer with a 22 is all you need to catch a roo. They taste great if you know what to do. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to motherfucking Choo. Alright, time to eat. Serve with whatever the fuck you want. We did mashed potato, pumpkin, and sweet potato because we like our root vegetables and we like our pumpkins, man. Yum! Oh, bloody hell. You can't say that doesn't look good, mate. Time to snuggle up on the couch and watch something nerdy.